Good afternoon, guys. Again, I'm into the front lawn of my garden right now, and now I'm going to show you my gorgeous, beautiful Japanese maple tree into the front lawn of my garden right now. Anyhow, I'm just finished doing my, working into my garden by picking up all the weeds as well. So I was thinking about, okay, while I'm finished working into my garden, I wanna take some pretty quick short video again just to show you guys what I had here into the front lawn of my garden. Actually, I got two different kind of color of Japanese maple tree that I had into my garden, and I got the red one as well. You know, that red one is really gorgeous and beautiful color. And and the yellow lime green, I got that one as well here. It's really absolutely gorgeous looking, and I love this kind of plants that I had in here into the front lawn of my garden. Really gorgeous and beautiful. And again, this is a part of hardy plants as well, just because I don't have to give them too much water during the winter time, because it's part of the hardy plants as well. During the winter time, the leaves just all come out, and then when the springtime coming, the leaves just about started coming out as well, which is really lovely and gorgeous looking. Yeah, so the leaves is just about started coming out about a couple weeks ago, and this is the way how it looks like now. And I'm pretty happy once the leaves start coming out, because it's really looking gorgeous and beautiful color. I love the yellow lime green. I think it's pretty gorgeous looking. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, so I love it anyway. Whatever it is, it's nice to keep my eye open to it into the front lawn of my garden. It's really gorgeous by watching it, especially when I'm into the window of my living room. I like watching this. But I think they are both beautiful looking in a different way, because I guess I love them all. I love the red one. I love the lime yellow, green as well. They both beautiful looking. Look at that. Yeah, I love this color of Japanese maple tree that I had. I think this is my favorite one every year. Every year, yeah. So I just really happy by taking some pretty quick short video, really, because I think it's a very good looking. Look at that, it's pretty attractive color. But I think the summertime I always have to give some water. Of course, it's pretty normal. Perhaps have to water maybe 2 to 3 times in a week, really depends on the temperature weather we had here. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye.